ko alam. Andito ako sa taas, nandito ako sa balcony. Of course, I'd like to hi Heaven at saka si Marco. May utang pa kayo sa aking dalawa. I hope one of these days matuloy na tayo. And of course, looking forward to Haya and Gab. Sa inyong dalawang pair, una-muna kay Marco at saka si Heaven. Kasi natutuwa ako sa inyo. Like, you were the very first one na ni-launch sa love team dun sa Rain in España. And here you are, you're still here. The second, I think the second book, Ligway, si Jerome naman at saka si Krisha, right? And this is the third book, si Gab naman at saka si Haya. Now, being parang, since ang highlight ngayon, nakafocus kay Gab at saka kay Haya, anong pakiramdam nyo, considering na of all the love teams right now that Viva has, kayo ang pinakamainit?
I guess I'm not putting, not notice or care to it. It's more of, it feels like, alam naman namin lahat na everyone was gonna have their book. So like, you know, I'm actually happy na nauna kami kasi parang yung lahat ng bigat. Parang exam lang sa school. Kami nauna, tapos na. So like, you know, the pressure was onto Christian Jerome, and then now it's onto Gabs and Hyacinth. So like, honestly, Heaven and I feel like we're just enjoying the whole thing now. It's less stressful because we have less lines to take care of on set, and we have our own thing going. Like, this feels like a recap. Parang every time, parang nakakatuwa lang na makita na dumadagdag yung cast, na dumadagdag yung lahat ng fans sa iba't ibang love team. Parang nag-grow lahat. And yung reporters natin sobrang dumadami lalo. Yeah, you know, super chill lang. Walang, ano lang. Kakatuwa nga eh, dami ko ng banner nakikita kay Harrison. It's cute.
Kevin?
Kasi parang ito po naging pamilya na eh. Alam niyo yun. So every time na nakikita kami, usually may ilabas after or get together after. Kung hindi man after the work, minsan kung sino lang libre. And so, parang kami naman, ako as being like dun sa first book, parang pag may mga questions sila Haya or noon si Krisha, parang nandyan kami to give advice. And so parang kaming naging mother and father, like sinasabi namin din, pag sa love team, like partners yan, kayong dalawa ang dapat laging okay, kumbaga. Kasi kailangan nyo ang isa't isa. Laging maging magkaibigan or magkaibigan. So, ayun, I'm just happy. And regarding kung sa mainit man or hindi naman, lagi akong nagugulat every time na kami may one time, we went out and kilala kami as Calix and Luna. And hanggang ngayon, kahit 2 years na ba? Has it been 2 years? 2 years. 2 years has passed and we're known as Calix and Luna and nakakataba ng puso all the time. Ewan ko, minsan pag naririnig ko yun, mas lalo ko na-in-love kay Marco.
You know, I think the best part of the whole thing is going to press cons and hearing what we used to say. Hyacinth was like, you know, how is it working with each other? And Hyacinth was like, you know, it's a safe space. And both of us were like, Yeah.
Sige, let me hear naman from Haya and of course Gab. Kasi this time, si Marco at saka si Heaven are playing support to you.
Honestly, Tita, we're just so grateful na yung nga sabi ni Heaven that we're like a family. And yeah, we have a lot of questions. Syempre, bago po kami love team, and I always ask them for advice. And they gave me even kay Chris Rome. And I'm happy that they're happy for us. Like, they're so supportive. And especially, di lang sila, pero lahat po ng cast. Like, syempre, each book, like, iba't ibang storya kami ngayon na po. So, they're like saying they're so excited for us, and gano'n. And syempre, next si Aubrey na, di ba? So, it's just like surreal and just moment na kami na po yung mag-lead sa season 3, and we're very grateful of course kay God, to Viva, and kay Guay na they trusted us to do this book, and hopefully magustuhan po ng mga fans ang gagawin po nila.
Thank you. And of course, let me hear also from Haya.
Same thing po. Gab said everything. I don't really put notice to anything like that. All I can say then is that we're very supportive with each other. We are like a family, and that's all that we think about, and that's all that we focus on. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, Direk, dito sa mga natitirang love teams or part of this cast, sino sa palagay nyo ang next in line para i-launch siya sa love team? Is it going to be Wilbert and Bea, or Jairus and Aubrey, or else? Direk, sino ang susunod?
Okay, let's pass the mic to Direk. Okay.
Si Aubrey po, tsaka hindi pa namin alam sino yun. Ay, si Aubrey. Sino ba sila?
Sorry. Nag-crossover ako kay palang tawanan eh. Oh, sorry. Dami nyo kasi eh. Sorry, Jairus Okay.
So, ayun po. Ayun po, wala pa pong nire-reveal, so antay natin kung sino yung giging love team.
And of course, gusto ko lang ihabol. I'd like to congratulate, of course, Heaven at saka si Marco. Because kahit malayo na ang narating nila, nandito pa rin sila para suportahan ang mga kasamahan nila sa pelikula. Thank you so much and congratulations to everyone.
That is so true. Thank you so much. That concludes our media conference for this afternoon. Maraming salamat to our friends from the press and to our actors, director, and writer for opening up. And also, we'd like to announce na ang digital... cheese.
Artista mo siya.
Pinag-uusapan namin ni Christian, parang gusto naman namin, parang bakit kayo magpapa-chase? Hindi, chase namin. Palaman siya, at si Luna.
Wilbert, anong sabi mo? Wolf? Ako chase, roar.
Same day to be curious. Okay, thank you so much. And last but
Grateful na may basketball scenes rin kami, and super excited to shoot that.
Can I add on? I remembered something. I don't know, it's just small, but I think it's really cute. Elise is a lot more mataray, right? She's more into kikay things and like bags and perfume. I'm as Haya, I'm a very more earthy girl and that spiritual type of person. So that was one challenge for me, but at the same time, it wasn't too much of a challenge because I just had to think about channeling that inner girly part of myself, because I still had, you know, like growing up as a kid, I was very much into those things before I started becoming really into earthy things more. And also what I love about Elise is how loving she is and loyal she is then with her family and with